Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, finally we have here one of the latest smartwatch in the ID series. What we have here is the IDW13 Smartwatch. Okay, it is a sporty, simple, wearable, but loaded with different features and functions. If you're not familiar with the ID series, it is one of the few smartwatches in the market with support for Alexa voice, okay, AI. So we are going to check on this wearable, the specs and design. So if you have any questions regarding the IDW13 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Let's check. As you can see here, we have a rectangular packaging here, very simple. At the back we have the specs and features, 1.8 inch, okay, color display. Later on we are going to get more details about the specs. So we have blood oxygen monitoring, heart rate monitoring, IP68 waterproof, cloud watch face, long battery life, and Bluetooth call. Okay, and it is using the Very Fit application available in Google Play and App Store. Okay, so let's check on the wearable. Again, this is the IDW13 smartwatch. Okay, it will be our first time to open the box. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. So this is the charging cable. Let's see if what type of charging cable is this. I think it is magnetic. Okay, but we do hope it's wireless. Let's see. Okay, Pogo pin magnetic charging cable. We have the user manual, IDW13 smartwatch operation manual. Okay, so let's check. So we have here, I think this is in Japanese language. We have the specifications here. So 37.7 grams in weight, Bluetooth 5.3. So we have the English and other languages here. Okay, so that's the user manual. And we have the smartwatch with the strap attached to it already. Okay. I think we have a oh no, I don't know if this is a metal body or not. Seems like it's not. Okay, it's a PC material. Yes, I think it's a PC material. Okay, the back cover here is also a PC material, but so far it looks decent. Looks sporty, simple, but elegantly looking. Okay, function button, long press to turn on. Please charge to activate the watch before you use it. Okay, so we have a simple design here. Let's check on the weight. The weight based on the specs is around 37 grams. I don't know if it is included, the strap is included, or just the body frame. So we'll check. 00. Okay, so I guess that is included. The strap is also included. So yeah, around 38 here. So just a minor difference with the specs on the user manual, but anyway, still it's around 37 point something. You can round it to 38. For the width here, so around 36. Okay, the length, so 44. For the thickness, so it's around 9.0. Okay, so far we have a 2.5D tempered glass here. with a slim black border on left and right, but on the bottom part it's a bit wide. Okay, it looks nice. It looks simple. Okay, so let's check on the specs of the smartwatch. Okay, here on our website, okay, smartwatchspecifications.com, we have the details here of the IDW13 Smartwatch. Okay, it has an elegant look, sporty looking with a simple design. So here we stated aluminum alloy, but I don't think it's aluminum alloy here. But based on some of the promotional specs on different website, it's aluminum alloy, but I don't think, now that we have the smartwatch, I think it is a PC material. So 37.7 grams, that is 38. 1-inch TFT-LCD with a 240 by 284 pixel resolution. We have a G sensor, heart rate monitor, and blood oxygen monitor. Bluetooth 5.0 available in black, pink, and blue. IP68 rating, and we have the support app, Very Fit. Usually Very Fit is, it's like reserved only or exclusive for ID series, I think. Okay, 7 days battery life, Android and iOS platform. So let's check on the screen display here. It says 1.8 inch TFT. Now it's turning on. Seems like we still have battery life. Download the Very Fit app to your phone from Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Let's check. So we have here the QR code. Okay, so seems like we cannot access the smartwatch here, the main menu, without pairing with a support app. Okay, but so far, as you can see here, it looks nice. On our next video, we're going to check on the menus and features of the IDW13 smartwatch. Okay, so this is just a preview of the design and specs of the smartwatch. Okay, here in the user manual we have the specs. So let's check again. So we have here 1-inch screen, 37.7 grams, Bluetooth 5.3, IP68 rated, and we have a 300 mAh battery with a 7-day battery life. Okay, so based here, we are going to update our website with the exact specs. Okay, again, this is your IDW13 smartwatch. Watch out for our second video with the menus and features of this wearable. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.